Hello drone friends, this is Alan at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday morning. Welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup show. Hope you all have had a good week. A few stories to dive into this week. First, we're going to talk about how consumer drones are being used in the Ukraine-Russia war and how Elon Musk and his company Starlink has been playing a role there. Then we're going to share some of our favorite winners from Skypixel's annual aerial photo and video contest. Lastly, and I know we talked a little bit about this last week, but some interesting updates regarding drone taxi vertiports, this time in the EU as opposed to the US. Let's jump in. The Ukrainian army has a dedicated drone unit and has been using drones to track down Russian tanks in the ongoing war in Ukraine. The drones being used range from inexpensive, off-the-shelf consumer drones to more expensive professional models. And get this, they are reportedly conducting as many as 300 flights every day. Despite power outages and Russian attempts to block internet access, Ukrainians have been able to connect to the internet thanks to Elon Musk and his Starlink satellites. These satellites have allowed them to carry out their drone missions, which has been a clear edge to the Ukrainian military efforts. Now, Starlink was originally slated to hit Ukraine in 2023, but after a friendly Twitter exchange in late February between Ukraine's Vice Prime Minister Mikhailo Fedorov and Elon Musk, Starlink services were activated immediately. We are living in the future, folks. This is wild stuff. On to some lighter news. The winners of Skypixel's 7th annual aerial photo and video contest have been announced. It's no exaggeration to say that the winning entries often include the best aerial photos and videos taken by anyone, anywhere, over the course of the last year. And this year's list of winners is no exception. In addition to the usual categories, this year's awards also feature a special category for videos made with the DJI Mavic 3. Which, if you didn't know, DJI owns Skypixel, hence the dedicated category. Check out our blog post below to see all the winners. They are truly inspiring. Okay, finally, last week we reported that the FAA had issued a call for input on the development of vertiports, or airports for taxi drones. This week we learned that the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, or EASA, is pretty far ahead on this topic. They published a document that's almost 200 pages long where they provide tech specifications for the creation of vertiports. In doing so, the EASA has become the first air transport safety regulator in the world to provide detailed guidelines for the creation of these futuristic drone hubs. It'll be interesting to see if this speeds up the FAA's process now that there's this guide created. Either way, this report offers some great bedtime reading for all of you drone industry geeks out there. All right, folks, that's all we have for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest drone news. Remember to check out the links below to read more. Thanks so much for watching. And as always, to all of you drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying. Have a great weekend.